Here's a look at what we're seeing for precipitation chances this week. The main chance, of course, is going to be Wednesday night into Thursday. Right now, looking at about an 80% chance of snowfall late Wednesday, 70% chance early on Thursday, but any of the snow will have ended by midday on Thursday. There's also a 20% chance of a few flakes and flurries on Friday, mainly for the Northwoods, though most of us are looking dry as we track into the weekend. Let's take a look at the numbers today. We had 29 degrees here in Wausau. That's a few degrees above the average, so feeling more seasonal out there today. Lots of the rest of the area hitting the low 30s as well. So far for precipitation, we had a trace of an inch of snow, which means we just had a few flakes and flurries, and that'll continue to be the case for the rest of this evening. Not really seeing any accumulation until we hit tomorrow night. Our satellite radar picture is showing the cloudy skies continue that we saw most of the day today. There's those few flakes and flurries here on the eastern edge of the state. And our future track is going to show the timeline of this snow system, which does look to be mainly tomorrow at about this time in the evening or later. So most of us should be home before the snow falls, but it will be snowing overnight as we track into Thursday morning. So we might want to schedule out that 30 minutes of snow shoveling for early Thursday. Let's take a look here at the timing as we track through future track. You can see a thicker cloud cover moves in for our Wednesday afternoon and evening, and there's that snow system for Wednesday around 6 or 7 o'clock. We could start to see our first few flurries, though most of the activity won't be starting until 9 o'clock or later. As you can see, this is a slow moving system as it tracks across Wisconsin. Since it'll be on the slower side, you can see it sticks around for midnight all the way into early Thursday morning. 3 or 4 o'clock, still looking at some scattered snow showers, but should be clearing out rather quickly once we break into Thursday. 6 o'clock early on, maybe a few flakes and flurries. After that, you can see dry weather for Thursday afternoon. In fact, we could end the day on Thursday with some nice sunshine on top of that layer of snow from early on. Here's a look at the numbers we're expecting from the Storm Track 9 forecast. A trace to an inch here from Rhinelander down to Wausau. South of Wausau, a higher chance to get about 1 to 3 inches of snowfall. And you'll notice that trace to an inch reappears in the southern part of the state. That's due to the chance of melting or mixing with some rainfall for the warmer sector of Wisconsin. Extended future track shows a slim chance of light snow on Friday and Saturday, mainly up in the far north. Otherwise looking mainly dry until we have a chance of rainfall for Monday night into Tuesday. Tonight, though, down to 22. We should be mainly dry, a little bit chilly out there. Light southeasterly winds. Forecast tomorrow around 40, partly to mostly cloudy with that evening snow. 7-day forecast puts it all together here. You can see breezy conditions on Thursday, then cool on Friday. Temperature around 23 is cooler than average for a change here. As we move into the weekend, we are looking at sunshine. Apologies, Valentine's Day is on Wednesday, not Thursday.